Lord has done it finally. Finally. The Lord has done it finally. Hi guys, hi besties. How are you guys doing? Guys, I am very excited. Like I am super excited. God has finally done it for me. We are now cashing out. Like guys, I am very excited. From being broke to affording some of the things, like the basic things you need. I am not going to say that I am now able to afford all the things I need. I am not yet able to afford all the things I need. I know I am working towards there, but I am very grateful because guys, right now I can take care of myself and I can afford the basic things I need. Guys, as the last baby of the house, most things I used to tell my parents, like I used to tell them about it. I'll be like, "Hey mom, please can you help me out with this? Hi dad, can you help me out with this?" But right now, I can now take care of myself. I can afford the basic things I need. I am very grateful to God Almighty because only He made it possible. I want to thank God Almighty. I also want to thank YouTube. This platform also made it possible. And I also want to thank all of you, everyone that watched my video after I got monetized. I want to thank all of you because you guys also contributed to it. I want to sincerely appreciate all of you. Guys, like I also want to encourage you guys, if you're thinking of giving up on YouTube, do not do that because YouTube is paying. I've been able to make more than 300,000 naira. Like in my country, this is big money. I know it's nothing to some persons because a lot of persons are cashing out millions of money from YouTube. But I am very grateful. Okay, I am very grateful because there are also some persons that have big subscribers, like their subscribers are more than mine, and there are also some persons that started before me, but they have not been able to monetize their account. Talk more of making money, but I've been able to make more than $200. Yes, I've made more than $200, and I am very grateful. Like I've made more than 300,000 naira from my YouTube, and I'm very happy because right now I can take care of myself. I can afford the basic things I need. Guys, I'm sorry the light is kind of reflecting here. I don't know. I'm just trying. So guys, I also want to encourage you, if you're thinking of giving up on your YouTube, please do not do that. Okay, YouTube is paying, like it pays. Okay, I know it takes time, it takes a lot of work too, because if you don't post, if you don't make videos, if you don't create something, you're not going to be making the money, because you have to create and post so that people will watch. When people watch, it's going to generate, like, the views are going to generate money for you. Okay, you see, you also have to work for it. But see, let me tell you, you need to get your acts on YouTube. Okay, if you haven't, please start your YouTube. Do not be much bothered about what people are going to say, because surely they're going to say something. Because some of my friends, I've encouraged them to start YouTube, and they were like, "Oh, what do you think people are going to say about me?" Some persons, they are more concerned about how they look, their grammar, their intonation, these things. Do not let them get to you. Like, do not let them bother you. They shouldn't be something you should be more bothered about. As long as you're going to make cash, like good money from YouTube. Yeah, and the honest truth is, people must tell. That's the honest truth. So you don't have to let it get to you. So I am here to encourage you. YouTube pays, like it pays. Look at me, from being broke to taking care of myself. At least I can afford the basic things I need. I know it's not all of the things I need I can afford now, but I know with time I will be able to afford everything I need by the special grace of God. Okay, so get your axe on YouTube because it is paying. Yeah, it is paying. Get your axe on it, guys. I am very happy. And as you celebrate with me, God will do it for you. I encourage you not to give up. Even if you are monetized and you haven't been able to make up to $100, do not give up. Okay, you will surely make it. God will see you through. Like how He saw me through, and He has been seeing me through. He also see you through. Okay, because you need $100 before it starts, or before you be able to withdraw your money in a month. YouTube pays monthly. It pays from 21st to 26th. Okay, so if you were not able to make up to $100, YouTube is going to shift it to the next month. Okay, but don't worry, just get your acts on YouTube, create your videos and post, and also pray so that God will show you mercy and favor. God has shown me mercy and favor. I am super excited. Guys, please, if you haven't joined the family, join, because I will be sharing a lot of me here on my channel. Yes, I'll be sharing a lot of me. So please make sure you join the family. And if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, Let me look at you very well. Please give this video a thumbs up, okay? Thank you guys so much. I'm super, super excited. At least I cannot take care of myself. I can take care of the basic things I need. And again, I am very, very happy because guys, I'll be going for my service. At least I'll be able to take care of some things, you know, pay some of my bills because I have a lot of things to pay for, like, you know, clearance, buy stuff, get yourself ready, some things like that. At least my parents will not be spending much. Yeah, they will not be spending much if I thought they'll be spending, because I'm going to use my YouTube money to do those things. Guys, see you on my next video. I don't know, I'm just happy. Guys, congratulations to me. Guys, see you on my next video. Bye, guys. Please like the video. Bye. Get your acts on YouTube. Start your YouTube if you have.